Hi, Year Sixes. We're just going to have a quick discussion about the activity that you're just about to do. So our example that you've got in your workbook has got our book versus film. And the start of it, I've picked Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and I've just put down a whole bunch of differences of what's in the book, then what's in the book and the film, and then what's just in the film. And so as you go through, it will say there's some things that were in the book and some things that were just in the film. And then sometimes they'll mention things that was in both. So I've got all my descriptions here, all of the things. Now I've Googled this and I've done my own research, so you're more than welcome to jump online for any of the TV show or the film that you've picked that's been based on a book. And then all you're going to do is what's called a Venn diagram, which is just down here. So the green circle, this one over here, is just what's just in the book. The blue one over here is what's just in the film. So what's in the book cannot appear in the film, and what's in the film cannot appear in the book. This circle right here is what appears in both. So it's both the book and the movie. So you put what happens in just the book, so what the film doesn't include. And then over here, you might put what the film adds to it or changes it. So they might change, for example, a character's name, or might change a different setting, or might even, for example, for the magazine Apology, it has something they've taken a plot from the book, but they've got a completely different ending. And then what's here is what's in both the book and the film. And as you see, the two circles overlap to each other. So you're going to be picking a TV show or a film, and you're going to be writing down what's just in the book, what's just in the film or TV show, and then what's in both of them. Then you go all the way down here, and you need to put in the two circles with the circle in the middle, and you can do that on Word, or you can do that in Paint, or you can do that online. There's a couple of posters, websites that you can access, and you can do that. So all you have to do is you have to do the two circles that join together, just like up here, and you just have to pick a TV show or a movie that is based on a book, and then you have to write the similarities and then the differences.